Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Siemens Innovation 2021, the Future of Automation event. My name is Nikun Shah. I am Development and Certification Manager for low voltage drive products in motion control business. And I also get involved in development and maintenance of various national as well as international standards such as UL, NEMA, IEC, IEEE, NEC, etc. And I also represent Siemens on many standards technical panel such as UL 61800-5-1, which is a topic for today, as well as UL 508A, UL 1741 and many others, and various technical committees of IEC, NEMA, as well as IEEE Standards Association. Today I'm going to cover the topic of UL 61800-5-1. A new UL standard for the adjustable speed drives or variable frequency drives. As many of you are already aware that last year the old UL standard UL 508C for the drives, low voltage drives, has been withdrawn by UL, obsolete and withdrawn by UL, and replaced with this new standard UL 61800-5-1. And this withdrawal has created significant and great impact in the industry and the certification requirements of the overall equipment or a system where these drives are used as a component. And there are many questions from this last year's withdrawal. So today I'm going to provide the expert's perspective on what you need to know in terms of if you are an end user or a customer or a system integrator or a panel builder, and the benefits of using the drive certified according to UL 61800-5-1. This topic is divided into 7 sections. At the end of this presentation, you would know the background information and motivation behind this development of this new standard 61800-5-1. I'm going to cover the major differences between the two standards, new UL 61800-5-1 and UL 508C, which is obsolete and withdrawn last year, and also show you the tremendous benefits of using the drives certified according to UL 61800-5-1. We'll also go over the transition timeline rolled out by UL in order to transition the old legacy products certified according to 508C to the new standard 61800-5-1. We're going to cover the industry impact, especially what you need to know if you are an end user or a customer, you are an OEM, system integrator, machine builder, or a panel builder, and also the benefits of using the drive certified according to this new standard. Then I'm going to cover how you can ensure the compliance of a drive with UL 61800-5-1, how you can check, how you can verify the drives that you are using is really compliant with this new standard. Then I'm going to cover what Siemens is offering with its state-of-the-art Synamics low voltage drive portfolio. And then finally, we'll summarize our learning and understanding from this presentation. If you have any questions related to this topic or any other topic related to the low voltage drives, I would encourage you to visit us in a motion control booth today. Let's start with the background information and motivation. The main motivating factors behind the development of this new standard was to replace the UL 508C by creating a single global set of requirements for the safety and design of low voltage drive products so that it reduces the design, testing, and certification burden for the low voltage drives, which otherwise required compliance with at least 2 different sets of completely different requirements. One with UL 508C for UL marking requirement, typically in North America, more predominantly in US and Canada, and according to EN or IEC 61800-5-1 for C marking, typically for the drives installed and used in Europe and the rest of the world. This one is also, the objective is also to create a single design of a low voltage drive products which can be used globally without any restriction of the locations and without requiring that product to go through any other certification requirements. to develop a single set of global requirements to develop a single set of or single product or single design of the product that can be used globally anywhere and installed anywhere. The original intent was to create the requirements by merging or by adding the requirements from UL as well as from IC. So the first draft version of this UL 61800-5-1 was created by adding the requirements from UL 508C and IC 61800-5-1. However, the Canadian Standards Association, CSA, developed their own version of the adjustable speed drive standard, which is C22.2 number 274. And finally, therefore, the requirements from this CSA standard were also added together with the UL and IC standard. And when the standard was published, additional new requirements were created and included into the final version which was published in order to ensure or to bridge the gap which were present in the parent standard UL, IC, and CSA. So the result was the most stringent standard available globally for the certification or safety certification of the low voltage drive products, that is UL 61800-5-1. This standard shows the strict and more demanding construction and performance or testing requirements as compared to its predecessors, which was obsolete and withdrawn last year as compared to 508C. The development and maintenance of this 61800-5-1 is an ongoing process, just like any other industry standard, and it is done to harmonize these three parent documents, that UL, IC, and CSA, to minimize the national differences or to eliminate the national differences so that single set of global requirements can be created and a single design of the low voltage drive products that can be realized as envisioned before. Therefore, the first edition of the harmonized standard was published about 9 years ago, that is in June 2012, and it was published when UL 508C was also active. So both these standards 61800-5-1 as well as UL 508C coexisted for almost like 8 years until the UL completely obsolete and withdrawn UL 508C last year in February 2020.